Here I have DJI OSMO ACTION, and today I'm going to show you how to switch to the photo mode on this device. So to do this, you just have to press this quick switch button here, and here you can select modes, and you just have to switch to the photo mode here. And now you are in photo mode, and we can take photos with your camera, not only videos. Like, let's take a shot of, are you looking for a hard reset solution? Wow, brilliant. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.